Julian from JulianTechTM, and today I'm at Suntec Convention Centre for CEE. Get ready to experience the ultimate tech extravaganza. How do you say again? Extravaganza! I'll be taking you through the booth, showcasing the best deals, and maybe uncovering some new gadgets that you don't even know that you needed. To make this easier for you, I've categorized the video in the timeline so that you can skip through the parts that you're most interested in. Because today I'll be taking on the task of covering all 80 plus booths. I don't know how it's gonna go. Hopefully I succeed. Alright, let's kick off our first category with, you know it, PC. For PC, there are three main booths. You have Cobalt, which is CR Group, Dreamcore and Aftershock. The thing about this booth, they're essentially selling the same thing. So how does this booth stand apart? From what I see from Cobalt, they stand apart by having a lot of brands. They have chairs, they have desks, and it's very cheap. So you got things like $99 chairs, $20 mouse, $169 desks. They also have a wide range of laptops, Acer, Lenovo, HP, Asus, Razer, and Cobalt also have things like mouse, keyboards, monitors. For Dreamcore, the thing that stands out from them is the free gift if you spend more than 1,300 or 1,600. So for the 1,300, you get a Corsair Qatar Pro worth $69, speakers worth $58, and a monitor mount. If you spend more than 1,600, you get M3 mouse, gaming K1 keyboard, gaming P1 mousepad, and a backpack. For Aftershock, they have laptops, desktop. They have their new 7600 GPU that only costs $954. It comes with the 5600 CPU, 16GB of RAM, 1TB NVMe SSD. I'll say that's a very good price for like the latest GPU, you know, RX 7600, not the CPU. One thing that stands out from Aftershock is that they have a free PC giveaway. And if I'm not wrong, you just have to give in your details and you stand a chance to win. I'll show you now. This is the PC that they are giving away. It's custom made. Probably glue it or something. And they are giving away a custom water loop. You look at the GPU, if I'm not wrong, that's a custom water block as well. And if you look at the back, there's a custom fan. I don't know whether it's 3D printed or is it laser cut. It's basically custom for the specs wise. Let's ask. 12700KF, a 32GB of DDR4 RAM, 3070. Yeah, thank you. How do they stand? How do they win? How do they stand? How do they enter? We got superstar Jimena, fitness influencer here to tell us how to win the PC. Ah, so you have to go to the website lah. Yeah. Okay, so basically to win, you have to go to their website and then just enter the giveaway. Just follow the instruction. I'm pretty sure you can follow instructions, right? Next booth. The first chair and desk booth is Secret Lab. I actually covered this in the last convention. But the thing I haven't covered is the skins. So let's come, go see the skins. Apart from having a sale when you buy the chair at CEE, it's $594 for the Titan. The thing that I never covered the last time is their skins, which makes cleaning a lot better. So you don't have to buy like the soft weave, like this kind of chairs, soft weave, where the only way to clean this kind of chairs is to vacuum. You can just buy one of these synthetic leather which has stood the test of time. Just add a soft weave outer coating. One to protect your chair, another one is easier cleaning. And another thing is their tables. Come, go see the tables again. Reason why I say again is because 2 months ago we had an IT show and it's basically the same thing. Not much has changed in 2 months. Basically, you have the table, or rather the desk. This is the Magnus Pro touch controls. So for this table, is $899 with 5 years warranty. You have RGB at the back, metal table so that you can put this magnets, which is very strong, to get your cables nice and neat. And one thing is that their back, you have this to hide all your cables. The good thing is you hide the cables. Bad thing is that you kind of can't really use the space. But yeah, having a somewhat metal table, I'm not sure, I don't think it's actually metal table, but like in the core has metal, I guess, magnetic material. Next booth. Okay, the next booth that we have is Everdesk and Ergotune. For their chairs is $489 and for the tables is from $399. Free $50 voucher. So it's an extra $50 voucher off. Why don't you just minus off the $50? So this is what you can get. Chair, desk, both less than 1K. Yeah. Next booth, Noble Desks. They have both chairs and desks. The chairs are pretty affordable. You got mesh chairs. The cheapest one is 116. Yeah, pretty cheap. This one, very basic. Free installation for chairs. They also sell things like this power socket on the desk. Makes things easier if you want to charge your phones or anything like that. So the tables are pretty normal. I don't know why do they have this like interesting carbon fiber skin. But the thing that's very interesting, the desk is this one. This desk is $399 and is tempered glass. You can see a bit of scratches here and there, and very obvious you can see a lot of dust because dust is not black, it's white, light color. So now I'm at the back of the convention hall. This is a small booth, it's called Tableholic. Relatively cheap because they have solid wood. 3 types of desks. They have the C desk, E desk, and E desk Pro. C desk means it's a crank. I can show you all. It's adjustable, just no motor, so you can, slowly bring it up and bring it down. If you don't care about standing desk, then this is basically to just get your perfect height of your sitting desk. Their cheapest tables is the light wood. So you have like the cheapest material, which is like compressed wood. Not say it's very good, not say very bad also. Depends on how well you take care of it. With the C desk, it's gonna be $398. But I think the thing that really stands out to me is the solid wood collection. A C desk, 1200 mm by 700 mm is $738 for solid wood. Even for the electronical desk, it's gonna be $938. But solid Haha, solid. Of course, Omidesk, the brand that started it all. So when you're here, there's a few flash deals that they're gonna mention. You have to be here. If you have always been wanting an Omidesk desk, this is the time to get. The interesting thing is that this is the first time I actually seen the Ichi collection price. It's like the whole piece of wood. I don't know, I've been watching a lot of those woodworks, right? How they put resin and stuff. For the simplest one is 1,338, and then you have the Kawa. This one is 1,768. Not cheap, but these tables, wow, looks damn good. I found it, Ichi table. Not sure whether this is the same as what you're gonna buy, but this is the kind of wood that you're gonna expect. Yeah, this is also Ichi. Yeah, look at this thick. Look at how thick this is. This is not just solid wood, but it's a one piece of wood. Very, very cool. This one is their Embrace Pro. For the mesh is $425 and cushion. Apparently the mesh is more expensive. I wonder why. Let's see. Let's test it out. I don't know whether there's any benefits for having it mesh, but a cushion more comfortable. I'm not sure. Next booth. Last table and chair booth is Take a Seat. Very affordable chairs. You have chairs from $79.90. This one, the guy is going to show me. Feels like a $79.90 chair. Star buy. I'm pretty sure a lot of people that just want a proper chair. This is good enough. You also have like new arrivals. You have like the ergonomic chairs.
Seat adjustable. Backrest adjustable. Headrest adjustable.
In terms of the smoothness, not the best. But I mean, usually these kind of chairs with this kind of movement can go upwards to like 500. So for you to pay $289, it's a good deal. I mean, come and try lah. Come and try.
Trying to sell me the thing, man. But okay, it's good, passionate.
So the table that's interesting to me is that they have this whole book, this whole palette of different designs. Talk about customization. They have wood also, marble gloss, the industrial. Let's see what's industrial. Alright, next category, TVs and monitors. Honestly, for CEE, there's not a lot of options for monitors or televisions, but you still can try, especially for monitors. You want to go for affordable monitors, you got like Dreamcore, the Cobalt, just now CR Group, we talked about it. But this is like the only proper monitor booth where you can try different models. You have like affordable ones, and then you have the gaming ones, the 165 Hz, the ultra-wide monitors, and you can come and try. Because especially for things like ultra-wide monitors. I thought I wanted ultra-wide monitors until I had an ultra-wide monitor and I realized it's not for me. This is super ultra-wide monitor. But if it's for you, you can come and try. This one is $799. You have even that monitor. That was big. Come. So this is the X490 Pro, 49-inch ultra-wide monitor. The only thing I can think of this monitor, racing. So walking to the TV side, there are fans, air condition, and here's where the televisions are. Yay! So they have Ultra Q LED series and the Quantum Edition. So you can come and try the TVs, look at all the TVs. It's a bit loud with the music because they have sound bars as well. Oh, one thing that I haven't mentioned, Prism Plus just launched the portable monitors. So they're portable monitors, you basically power with USB Type-C and you use a mini HDMI. These portable monitors range from $389 to the 4K version, which is $969. The use I see for these portable monitors in my head is like, if let's say I go overseas, I bring a laptop and I need to edit, I can have a separate monitor. Ta-da! Okay, next booth. Okay, the next TV booth, which is the last TV booth, is Hisense. Other than their affordable 30-inch TVs for like $243, you have this 98-inch television that's $9,000. This kind of TV usually costs upwards of like 15-20k, but with Hisense you can get this for 9k. Suddenly 1 kg arrived. What do you think of the CEE now?
Oh,
you just came, right?
I just came.
Now it's into the interesting part. Come. This is the part where I show interesting booth to me. And one is bicycle. So since KG is here, we're gonna try bicycles out.
Why is there bicycle in IT shows?
Because got e-bike also.
That's why.
Hi, can we try the bikes?
Yeah, all the tri bikes.
Okay. So I don't know what model is this, but basically I don't have to balance.
I love this. You see me rolling.
Hey, I want to try also.
Hey, where you go on?
Oi! Look at me! Ooh, I must go through the aerodynamic. Go faster. Corner. No, let's try their actual bicycles. Yeah. Bifo. What's a bifo?
So buy like try and buy. So buy is like you can hold once only.
Okay.
Just hold like that. Whereas for the trifold, right?
Oh.
Then you can fold here also.
Oh.
Wow! Can you go on the train? You can go on the train, right?
Yeah, can.
I was expecting it to be very hard to ride because like I usually ride on mountain bikes or like road bikes, but smooth. Other interesting booth is how do you say buddies? Buddies RC. Yeah. Sorry, dyslexic. RC cars on dirt roads. I think we can try. Can we try? Yes. Okay. Wow. Hey, okay. Skills. Make sure not to ram the dogs. Oh! Got racing. Let's try the racing.
Oh, that was smooth.
Smooth, move. From the outside, go in. Whoa! Go in. Oh!
Hey, bro, you're natural already.
Boom! Overtake. Disrespect.
Drift.
Whoa! From the outside. Okay, yeah, that's it.
Julian from the future here. I've been editing all night and it's now 9:04 AM, so let's go through quickly on the remaining booth. Currently, I covered 12 booths, so let's continue with the rest. Starting with the floor below, on the third floor, we have Challengers booth, featuring all the tech brands you expect. Now we go back up. At the entrance, there's a station where you can get a free screen protector, and on the other side, there's a trade-in station where you can bring in tech device and receive vouchers for CEE. Now let's explore the main hall and go through the booth from bottom to top. First up, we have Toy Kings selling toys. Ace Tech offer tech products like DJI headsets and more. Hydroflux showcases water purifiers. JF Tech Gadgets offers selection of small tech gadgets. Ruhan's water purifiers. Mesh provides custom keyboards with wide range of switches and bases. Digital gadgets, phone cases. OSIM, Shook. Stera, water purifiers, beds, massage chairs and air purifiers. Yale, digital locks. Living Care showcases water purifiers. 4 stars, beds and sofas. You know Singtel lah, huh? SK Magic, another water purifier. Fast Jobs, yeah. Focus Water, Tech House offers audio solution and vacuum cleaners. Handman, digital locks. Random Tech booth. Europace, home appliances. Happy, water purifiers. Zen, digital locks. Let's go through this a bit quicker. In this area, we have Future Living water purifiers, air condition booth, stove, digital locks. Then we have non-tech, air cooling, more water purifiers and digital locks. Sunrise, which I'm not sure what they specialize in. Looks like air purifiers. Next area, tin coal, vacuum cleaners, Fuda, bags and other products, digital locks, removable power points, air conditioners, Empire, Shook, MFC, bags, back to digital locks, travel SIM cards, what do you call this? Motorized clothes hanger, I guess. Drones, CIMB securities, lots of locks, motorized hangers, cameras for your car, camera gear. By the way, the toilets are located at the back of the hall, with more cubicles than at the entrance. Just some tip. Another motorized clothes hanger, beds, massage, shook. Epic Gear sells Steel Series products if you're interested. More digital locks and purifiers. And last but not least, Elong Tech. They offer high-end portable chargers. There's also beer fairs, although it's just a poster for an upcoming event. There's no actual beer there. Sad. But other than that, I believe I'm done. Let's head back to past Julian.
And that's it for CEE. Let me know what y'all think about the convention if you came down. But other than that, always fun to cover this kind of convention. Super tiring because this is Thursday and I'm gonna upload on Friday. Fun. Like always, this convention is best to try out all the kinds of tech gadgets, whether it's a massage chair, gaming chair, keyboards. I know we never go much into keyboards because there's not much keyboards around, but yeah, there's little keyboards here and there. Then we have mesh. Other than that, I hope you enjoy. I will see you in the next video, and I'm done.